So yes, this is the second type of quadrilateral construction. Here I have taken rhombus BEST. The name of the rhombus is BEST. We can call BEST also. So here we are having BE is 4.5 centimeter and ET is equal to 6 centimeter. So first of all, as we all know that we have to draw the rough sketch. So you must know the rhombus can be is this. The earlier I was drawing can also be a rhombus, but firstly we are drawing like this. This is the rough sketch I am drawing, and you all know that rhombus is having all qualities of a square, and one more quality it is also having is that all the diagonals, both diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Okay? So here, and you know BEST should be in sequence. You may start from here, you may start from here, but you have to be in sequence. It is not good if you write B here and E here. It will be not good because you are skipping two vertices. You have to go sequence wise. So I am starting from here BEST. BE is equal to 4.5 and ET is 6 centimeter. Now my dear kids, now I will tell you why I was drawing that kind of rhombus, because earlier I told you whenever we have to construct any triangle, any shape, quadrilateral rhombus, we must have a base. But in this figure, we are not having any base. How would we do this? So first of all, we have to rotate this and make like this so that it would be having same sides, because we know a rhombus is also a parallelogram. Parallelogram की तरह हमने इसे draw किया, but we must know that all the sides should be equal. Its all sides are equal. I have made it roughly. So now we will having BE as base. We are having base. So we have to take BE as a base here. BEST. And ET is 6 centimeter. This is 6. So how would we draw? Anybody has a guess? Because we are having only one side here. I know you are having the answer, but yes, here I am telling, because it is a rhombus, all sides are equal. So according to that property, we know that BE, ES, ST and BT would be 4.5 centimeter. So before starting this construction, we have to write that rhombus has all sides equal, so that all sides would be 4.5. We have to write this as all sides of rhombus are equal. So start our construction. Draw rough sketch of quadrilateral or rhombus BEST. Then draw with your scale of measurement 4.5 BE. 4.5. So second step of construction would be draw BE is equal to 4.5 using ruler. Okay, this is a ruler or the scale. Now, as we done in the previously, that from B point we'll give an arc of 4.5 to get T. From B point we'll open the arc of 4.5 and keep it here and give arc here. Okay, like this we'll get an arc. अब ये यहाँ से हमने दी है arc. Now we have to cut this arc. How would we do? We should have another measurement to cut like this. So this is the another measurement. So this is 6 centimeter. Open your compass of 6 centimeter. Keep one point here, and give arc with your pencil. Cut this arc. So how I have cut it? This point I got, it is T. Now with your compass, join it. See, BT, this is 4.5 and ET it is 6. Now we are having two vertices, that is E and T, and two measurements to get two arcs, 4.5 and 4.5. With this T, we'll give an arc of S. With E, we'll give an arc of S like this. So all the steps of construction would be, from B, we'll give 4.5 arc to get T. From E, we will get 6 centimeter arc to get T. Join it. Earlier we did it. And now same from E. ES के लिए हम E 4.5 open करेंगे with your compass. Keep the pointed part here and give an arc with your pencil. First arc I have given. This arc is 4.5 centimeter. And secondly, from T, this point will give 4.5 arc. From here, it will cut like this. So this point will be S. Okay, now join the point. So this point is S. So this is a rhombus. This is 4.5. So finally, we would write BEST is a required rhombus. Hope you understood.